How to create a group chat on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create group chat on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click this icon here, and now click create group chat and type any name you want, and then click this one here, and now just select any number you want here, like this one, then just click here, and that's it. As you see, the group chat, that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.